Hello everyone, so this is Future Shayla with a little quick message before the reactions begin, but this is essentially 2 minisodes in one video. It's Clara in the Tardis and Rain Gods. Since these 2 things are very, very short, I thought I'd just put them into one video instead of separating them into 2, and this is just an intro to explain what you're about to watch, because it's just going to go right into the reaction. I can't remember for sure right now, but I think I might have put afterthoughts at the end of each one. Just know that both of them are in there. Yeah, that's everything. So go watch past Shayla. It's gonna cut right now.
So tell me you have a plan.
Hey, why do I have to have a plan? You could have a plan. I chose restaurant.
Yes, and accidentally took us to the planet of the rain gods where we're now being sacrificed. Plan.
Hey, planning. We need to distract them with something before they actually sacrifice us.
Hang on, we're just gonna do a quick. Okay.
Because then when they're distracted, we run away.
That's not a plan. That's just hoping.
Hey, it's a start. Can you smell something?
Why are they sacrificing us to the rain gods?
Appeases their wrath. Apparently, it's very good for the crops, you know, sacrificing. There is actually some scientific evidence.
Oh, so you're in favour of being burnt alive?
Looking on the bright side there.
Oh.
Hey, there it is! Oi! If there are any rain gods out there, you're rubbish! Strike me dead if I'm wrong!
What are you doing?
Smelling the ozone, dear. No!
Sweetie.
Hey! Hang on! Run! By the way, I think the rain gods are gonna do that again, you know!
That was your plan?
Well, it worked, didn't it?
Basically, you hoped for lightning. That was it.
And here we are.
We should be burning at the stake right now. It's lucky for you, you're pretty.
You were in no danger. I knew something would come up.
No, you did.
I did. I promise I did.
Oh my gosh. I love them so much. That was 1minute and 35 seconds. Worth every... Okay, you know, I don't understand why you're being loud. Worth every second. That was awesome. Oh, that was... Okay. That made me feel a lot better after rewatching basically River's death. Yeah, that cheered me up. And this is going to be the last thing I'm going to react to today, so that was a nice, happy note to end on.
Where is it? I know it just happened. I went to the bathroom. Thank you for the hologram leopard, by the way, an unexpected pleasure. And my bedroom was completely missing. Just stop where you put it. Hang on, I know what the problem is. Is this the first time he's brought a girl home?
Oh.
Are you laughing? You are, aren't you? What's so funny? Blimey. That's, quite a selection. That woman is made of legs. That's the most legs in any living human.
Oh,
Okay.
I would have loved to have had those 2 meet.
This is the doctor we're talking about. He's in a codependent relationship with a screwdriver. I mean, if he had to choose between an enormous, complicated machine he could fix with a toolkit and a girl, who would he go with? Yeah, you're right. Both of them. Using the same toolkit. So what do we do? I give in. I'm gonna go find my damn bedroom. Do your worst. Can't wait to see your next trick. Who the hell are you?
What?
You from tomorrow night. Okay. Where have you put it? Where's my bedroom? This isn't funny. I'm exhausted. Where is it? You think you've got problems?
Oh no. Oh no, that's it. Wow, that's awful. That's really funny though. I enjoyed that. I'm really glad I reacted to it. One, because it brings up a thing that I wanted to talk about. I would have loved, especially watching Space and Time recently, how Amy was checking herself out, and then Clara literally just did that with herself. It's very, very funny, and I would have loved if those two met it would be utter chaos. It wouldn't, like, nothing would ever, the doctor would literally just be like, I'm giving up. Like, wholeheartedly. That's awesome. Yeah, that was such a cute little thing. That obviously I think that pretty much, because I can tell by their hair and the console room that it takes place season 7. Maybe, like, right whenever they first started traveling is my guess. But yeah, really, really cool short. I'm glad that I watched that. I hope you enjoyed this short, I keep saying short, but it's true, it was short. This tiny little video. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon for more Doctor Who related content. I don't get up this way. I normally just reach out my